Welcome to Muse, your new creative companion. So anybody who has worked with Dall-E or Midjourney, any sort of image generation tool knows how tedious it gets. You have an idea in your head, you're trying to get to the vision that you want, but then you're just stuck in words. Well, here comes Musée, where just like going through a museum, you are able to start with that idea in your head and then browse and get closer to the vision that you want. So for example, let's say I want to build a dog walking website or a cat walking website in this case. I start with a cat in a yellow hat. That's my text. And then I enter Musée. It gives me cat with a yellow hat, yes, of course. And then it also gives me cat with a crown. And it gives me cat in a car. Let's say I suddenly realize that, well, cat in a car seems more closer to the idea that I was going for. Then I start walking towards cat in a car and it starts giving me more similar variations of that. And eventually I get to a point where I'm able to select the vision that I had now realized in terms of actual real assets, download it, and move on to the next asset that I needed. So let's say I now need humans walking cats, and so on and so forth. At the end of it, you'll be able to download all of these assets, and these assets could be other visual assets like colors and fonts, and then go and review it, use it in your website, and also in the future, you could just directly build a website out of it, and that would be a feature we would offer. So you see how Musée makes it really, really easy. And I hope you use it. Thank you.